Today I'm explaining the English word chores in 100 seconds. Have you ever heard someone say, "I have to do my chores"? And you can immediately think, that sounds terrible. But what actually are chores? We will cover what it means, when to use it, when not to use it, that is very important, and some examples of course, so you don't accidentally say something weird in English, because awkward situations are awkward. And yes, all of that in 100 seconds, starting now. So what are chores? Chores are small tasks you do regularly at home to keep things clean and organized. They are usually boring, repetitive, and unavoidable, unfortunately. Basically, they're responsibilities of adult life. Common chores include washing the dishes, cleaning your room, taking out trash, doing the laundry, vacuuming. Fun fact, nobody has ever said, "Oh wow, I'm so excited to vacuum today." Let's go over some examples. I need to do my chores before I go out. Another example. My mom said I have two choices, do my chores or do my chores faster. Here's another one. I planned to relax today, but my chores had other plans. And finally, doing chores is like going to the gym, except you don't get muscles. Sometimes people say we split the chores, which means everyone does a part of the work, which sounds fair, until they disappear when it's the time to wash the dishes. We usually hear chores when talking about housework. For example, when your friend asks you, "What are you doing today?" you can answer, "Nothing exciting, just doing chores," which means you're cleaning the house instead of having fun. And that's 100 seconds. But if you want to learn when not to use the word chores, keep watching. Don't use chores for tasks outside the house. For example, I need to do chores at the bank. That sounds weird. Instead, you can use errands. I need to run errands. And yes, I made a video about errands. It's also errands in 100 seconds. You can watch it by clicking here. Also, avoid using chores for professional work. My job chores are difficult. That's wrong. Instead, you can say, my work tasks are difficult, because chores are for home life, not the office. Unless your boss makes you clean the office kitchen, that's a different story. And here's 100 seconds. But before you go, I'll show you a very common mistake. A lot of English learners are saying, "I'm making chores," which is wrong. Native speakers are using "I'm doing chores." So do chores, not make chores. Remember that. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Drop a comment if you like this type of video. If you don't like, either way, let me know. And see you in the next one.